Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I am really excited to shoot this makeup look for you guys, and I am theming this look water. I had this amazing revelation just this past week of how absolutely blessed I am. I was coming back from an event and I was doing my nightly routine to get all the makeup and gook off my face, and it never really hit me before of how blessed I am to have water at an abundance and a continuous flow like I have. I have the ability to just turn on a faucet and then water will flow continuously. And so I was like, wow, there are so many people in this world who are suffering and don't have access to water or resources like I have. And when you start complaining about the smallest things, and then you realize people are literally dying for water, your problems just doesn't seem as big. And so with this makeup look, I'm going to add a link to an organization that will donate water to those who are in need. And if any of you feel that you are wanting to donate to a great cause, feel free to click that link and help someone in need. I found this very beautiful poem from Wendell Berry that I absolutely love, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I felt like it really fit the theme of this makeup look. Here it goes. Like the water of the deep stream, love is always too much. We did not make it. Though we drink till we burst, we cannot have it all or want it all. In its abundance, it survives our thirst. In the evening, we'll come down to the shore to drink or fill and sleep. While it flows through the regions of the dark, it does not hold us, except we keep returning to the rich waters, thirsty. We enter, willing to die, in the commonwealth of its joy. All the makeup used in this video will be listed in the description below, along with the link, of course, to the organization for donations to those who are in need. If you guys will, please like and share this video to get the word out that there are organizations out there who are helping to supply water to those who are in need. And thank you so very much once again for tuning into this video, and thank you for donating.